That right there is the floor of my garage because I have an oil leak, as you do. The BRZ. Bro's got a 6-speed manual. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up, boys? We are going to be doing oil changes on both of these vehicles. We got a 2000 Corvette. We got a 2013 BRZ owned by yours truly, this handsome man. And we're gonna go buy our filters, buy our oil at our local supply shop. And then we don't even know where we're going. We don't even know where we're going. We'll figure that out, don't worry. All right, so I am new to vlogging. Matt is new to vlogging. We have no fucking clue what we're doing.
Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for two.
How's it going? It's going great. Hopefully he knows where we're going, that we have to go straight here. This is like a right turn lane that has an optional straight. Ooh, that's nice. And O'Reilly's. He knew, he took the right turn. Woo. Oh, look at this, that's fucking sick. It has been a minute since I have seen one of these, a VW thing. Let's check this out. This color is sick. It's got the Sealies, cloth seats. Hell yeah. We're here. What's up?
I've never seen this in my life.
It's a VW thing.
A thing.
You don't, yeah, that I know, it's a cool thing.
The windows just chilling back there. That's cool.
The windows are back. That's why I want a C7. This is why Corvettes are the best. Ignore that. That WRX was clean. Did you see it rolling back at the light? Ladies first.
Oil win it.
Oil is in fact winning. 0W20?
Yes.
Bro, you take 0W10?
High mileage, high performance.
I think I'm 5W40 European formula. We did not look up our information on what we need.
8
so
to 19.
This is us researching on site a little bit.
Subaru.
That's
not page number.
That's not page number.
Not page number.
We have secured my filter and my oil. I have a little more at my house to use, but
Not in the building, huh?
all right, we got the goods. Time to go get our oil change. Featuring a warm start on a 2013 BRZ. How you feeling after that, paying for that oil?
Not good. The pockets are hurting very bad. Jesus. I don't know how Chris was recording beforehand. We got a car coming. But we're going back to Chris's house now, I think. I don't know, he gave me the camera and he was like, your turn. So yeah, I'm stuck with it now. We're turning into, ooh, a nice little area. Look at this guy. Sounds beautiful. Love that car. All right, now I gotta focus on doing this shit. Ugh. All right, we're back at Chris's house. He's pulling out his dad's Mustang right now. The thing's gorgeous. I don't know if he's shown it to you already. But yeah, we're about to do our oil change. We got back. I didn't buy enough oil because I'm broke, so that's cool. But yeah, hopefully, I don't know. I'll just drive around on the most I can, I guess. Here comes the Mustang through my dirty windshield. Beautiful 1 of 500 2007 GTH. GTH is GT Hertz something, I don't know. They used to be rental cars for Hertz, and then they sold them. Thing's gorgeous. We made it home safely. He's cleaning up some of the excess oil from the other times. And then we're gonna start on our own. We got the Corvette in here, beautiful car. And then we're gonna do mine afterwards, just chilling there. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Taking out the jack, time to jack up the car.
Jack off the car.
Pause. We got that ultra low Daytona.
I had to buy this last time. Fucking expensive ass jack. Well, here we have it. We got the Corvette raised up. Absolute monster truck suspension. Like, the wheel's almost on the ground. Look at that. Whole hand right here. Like, well, actually 2 whole hands. That's crazy. Oh, I see tons of oil.
I'm sure you do.
Ignore that puddle. Oh, hey, I just touched the oil pan. It's pretty hot, by the way. Bro. You're just getting me being weak as fuck on video.
I know. I'm waiting for it to start falling, you puss.
Bro.
Bro is weak as shit.
Hey, Matt. Alright, you got this, bro. You got that, bro.
Why do I gotta go under there? Oh, Jesus Christ, it's all the way under here. I'm gonna fucking, this is gonna fall. Oh, this is the worst setup in the world. How are you even doing this?
Alright, yeah.
We got it up, finally.
Yes.
Or, got it up? What?
Erectile dysfunction.
Takes filter. Corvette owners, when oil filter is on the bottom of the car. You know, Chris got it. Chris is him, dude. First try. We've been doing this for 3 seconds and he's already got it.
I am him. You can tap on the screen and it'll...
Dude has a touchscreen camera. That's some crazy stuff. Nice. No! Drops the entire tool. Dude. Ooh, bro, last time we did our oil change, brought
I went to Walmart and I bought high mileage 5W30. Now we're going with the 5W40. European.
We should tell them that we've been doing this for an hour at this point.
Yeah.
And we're finally getting the oil put in.
Yeah, we're finally getting oil put in. There's been some spillages.
Yeah. I mean, look at all the paper towels here. Absolutely atrocious.
We don't have any more paper towels.
Oh yeah. So we opened up the napkins. You already know. Got a stack right here. I mean, absolutely beautiful. But what a day so far. It's been another 30 minutes, and we've just been sitting here researching if we can actually mix these oils together, because he realized that yes, it is the wrong oil.
Yeah.
But what we're gonna end up doing is putting most of the plastic bag 5W30, and then we'll top off the rest with the 5W40, and hopefully that's okay. He's filling up the oil filter right now, and then we'll be all on our way. We completely forgot to record. We are now checking the oil level. We ended up putting the rest of that bag in, and then topping it off with the 5W40. But yeah, just checking the dipstick now. Hopefully it's all good. He just put in the second thing of oil, so.
It looks good, I'm not gonna lie. The level is between the 2 dots, so.
Look at that engine.
Fucking beautiful. Filthy.
Very cool. Very cool. Smoke starts coming out from the engine bay.
We got the BRZ in here now. Corvette's moved out back. This is a lot easier to work with because the oil filter is literally just right up here in the front.
Everything's condensed. I love it. Love this car.
Still gonna obviously have to lift it with the drain pan. But I mean, this thing's clean, guys. What do you guys think? We got on this side we have a side reflector. We got wheels. Obviously we have coilovers. We got aftermarket headlights and taillights too. They coming in insane crazy here.
I can just use any part of the frame, right?
That's why I was looking it up so much, dog. It's my dad's Shelby GTH. Chassis 436 out of 500. I do think this is absolutely beautiful. Sucks that these only came in auto, unfortunately. The Corvette absolutely gaps it. And the Corvette is stick. Boxer motors
What do you know
look
about that
fucking
boxer?
sick. Oh my god, bro.
Okay.
Get some unequal length headers.
Oh my god, that'd be
You're gonna
nuts.
have to drop that now.
So we hope and pray that these are okay to use.
We are gonna hope and pray that your side skirt remains on the vehicle. What do you think, Matt? Do you think it's gonna work?
Dude, I fucking hope. The whole car starts falling apart. You want to double check the back one?
Yeah. Yep, you should be good. Lined up.
Alright.
Bro just dropped that with the force of, like, Thor. Bro, it's really easy to drop it fast. As you can tell.
Chill.
So this is mirror height. So I was just backing out and I absolutely fucked up my mirror because I was not paying attention. That's why, to be honest. Let me show you guys the fucking mirror. It took an entire chunk out of the mirror. I gorilla glued that back on. It took off my blind spot mirror, which I currently have being setting with duct tape. Not good. Looks like you got it going well though.
Got it going on.
Stacy's mom, you got it going on.
I'm recording this for my own insurance. God, I hate doing this. This is only my second time ever doing my own oil change.
I made a mess, so now Matt gets to deal with the outcome.
No, because the worst part is it's not even all gonna come off. It's just like,
I know, most of it is off. Like, it's just the slick that's left. POV, Matt does not want to go into the car because he's scared he's going to die. we both weak as fuck. Cue the me being weak as fuck clip. What the fuck?
funny. Dude.
It's moved.
Time to create a mess.
Why did water just start coming out of your AC line?
How hot is it gonna be? Am I gonna burn the fuck out of my hand?
So you should be good.
That's why it's not that, oh, yeah, it's not that hot.
Alright, so Matt's oil change is coming along pretty well. He's got his new filter on, he's got his new oil in. Pretty much all that's left is just double checking that there's enough oil, which I think we've already done. And then taking her off the jack stands. And then we should be good.
The BRZ oil, whatever the hell you want to call this thing. I think they purposely made it impossible to read, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's just, yep. Oil everywhere, so.
There is a lot of oil in a lot of places.
Oh,
like
big spillage, big spillage.
big spillage.
I'm gonna be going 130 and
Bro's manifesting.
oh God.
What?
These are so off balance the whole time when I raised the car. Jesus.
Yeah, I know. I was telling you the back was higher than the front earlier.
Alright, let's not slam.
Don't slam it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be careful. Be super careful.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. There you go. Oh, that's a hot ass.
Yeah, that was nice.
This is a good representation of how fucking hot it is out here in Florida.
Sweating my balls off.
Sweating our balls off. You're good. Slow and steady. I don't know if y'all could hear whatever the fuck just drove by with many problems.
Very cool. Here's to blowing up in the next 500 miles.
Cheers. Pound it.
Almost left the magnet.
She's alive
She's alive.
for now.
-2 decibel exhaust. This shit quiet.
What's up, vlog?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Alright, Ari is officially the vlog cameraman.
Ari is the
We are here. I am the head chef in my kitchen right now. We are making chicken pot pie.
Bro, what's going on here?
What's going on here? Finally dicing the celery.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Cat vlog, cat vlog.
So apparently Chris is already gifted in the kitchen.
Yep.
Were you in culinary?
Nope.
No? What were your electives in high school? For the camera.
Photography. I did basketball for weightlifting. I did a couple like of the sports and stuff. Art.
Getting the eggs out. They're dicing the onion. We already got the celery diced. The carrots. Little silver food. We putting in the pot pie.
The pot pie is going in the oven, and we are gonna go to Goodwill here in a second.
25 to 30 minutes?
25 to 30 minutes, so quick Goodwill trip. Cue the music.
Thrift Shop, featuring wands by Macklemore and Ryan Lewis from Spotify.
Hey Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Beautiful G-Wagon. Alright, so we are on our way back from the Goodwill run. It did not go well. We all walked away empty-handed. None of us got anything. And now we are gonna eat the chicken pot pie. So here's some B-roll of the chicken pot pie. What's up guys, thanks for coming to watch our first video. We're not mechanics, we're just some kids having fun. If you liked what you saw, feel free to hit that like button, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Leave your thoughts in the comments please as well. If you're interested in photography content, automotive content, cinematics, or random vlogs with some friends, stick around this channel. All of that and more will be coming here hopefully soon. Thanks for watching. And with that, here are our socials. Here's my car page, Matt's car page, my photography Instagram, and Matt's photography Instagram.